Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Anike Versatile TV, ilé ìròyìn àti ìtàn tó dájú, ibi tí a tún ti máa ń gbádùn àwòrán àti eré, ilé ìròyìn ìdárayá tí kò ní tàn yín jẹ.
My love, if you're between the age of 15 to 25, I want you to move closer to me right now. Because I don't want you to end up living your life miserable like mine. I don't want you to live a reckless life. I want you to have a meaningful life. I want you to equip yourself. I want you to be smart. If you love money too much, you will be so hungry and tasty for it, then you end up doing stuff you're not supposed to do. Because I lived my life doing what I'm not supposed to do. I worked out, I made money, look at me today. Now I'm starting afresh. I want you to know what you're doing. I want you to have plans for yourself. Why would 18 years old girl battling of depression because I don't have a car, I don't have a house, I don't have shop, I don't have gold? What were you supposed to be proud of? Is that not supposed to be a degree? Are you kidding me? Go to school, learn something, start something, live a good life. Don't be like me. Because I was like, internet is just for cruise. Yeah, now look at me paying the price. Explaining myself over and over and over again. Because I'm not who people thought I was. Know what you're doing. I know I influence a lot of young girls out there. You people have that bad habit of me. Yeah, I want to do this. I must do a little show. Talk about so good. Bro, remove that mentality from your head right now. I want you to have sense. I want you. Don't allow anyone to inflict pressure on you. Why would you be thinking at the age of 20 years? Oh yeah, Kitty, call it for mommy, me, ati daddy, me. Why you carry that kind of burden? Bro, relax. Calm down. Calm down. Don't let social media get to you. Don't pressure yourself. You're doing well. You are doing well. You're doing very well. I don't want you to live a reckless life like mine. I don't want you to do stuff that you are not supposed to do. Or because money di owo mo fẹ́ lówó lọ́wọ́. Olùkọ́ rere sàn ju wúrà àti fàdákà lọ. Mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ọmọ àrídùnnú fáwọn parents ẹ. I don't want you to live a very useless life. I want you to live a very meaningful life. Do you understand? Know what you're doing. There is life outside social media. But yes, social media is just for fun, you know. There is life outside social media. Timoshe influencing lori bad behavior, bad character, nonsense. Now I'm bringing back the positive vibes. Because that's not who I am. I'm a good girl. I was born and brought up in a very good family. A lot of girls outside there, like it, and I know I caused it. All blames on me. I'm very sorry because I'm just trying to create content, but I don't know you guys are using my content. You guys are, oh bro, Wamaromo 2018, you're staying with man, kilo jele. Let go draw down parent here. Save your womb, don't get pregnant, don't fall for it. You have a lot of stuff to do. You have a lot of stuff to do for yourself. Kawe, koshe. Start business.